Hey, what's up? It's Cheption Mutai. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on freelance and business. This is based on more than 7 years of experience freelancing online and running a small video production business in Nairobi, Kenya. I hope the information I'm going to share here will be of value to you. If you're here for the first time, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I truly appreciate your support. Hi. This is Cheption Mutai, freelance and business. The courage to shift gears from working as a freelancer to hiring other freelancers to collaborate with you on a project requires a proper set of mind. Robert Kiyosaki, the best-selling author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, classifies wealth acquisition process in 4 categories that he calls cash flow quadrant. The first quadrant is employee who earns money by holding onto a job. His or her income is limited to a monthly salary. The second quadrant is self-employed who works for himself or owns a job. He has control of what he does. Freelancers fall on this category or quadrant. Transitioning from freelancing to business requires courage, faith, and change of mindset. In this video, I'll point out on different opportunities that you should take advantage of and transition from freelancing to business. When you have a good reputation on any popular freelancing site, you will get hired for big projects. For example, I regularly get hired for high-value contracts on video production. Since I'm good at video editing, I'll hire other skills where needed like scriptwriting, voiceover artist, 3D animator to help me out where needed in the video production process. Not everyone will do this. They would rather do the whole job and have the money than hire a fellow freelancer. If you do this, you will limit yourself from growth. Also, you will find yourself always busy and not having time for yourself. Take advantage of such openings to start learning to hire and setting up your business or agency. Let's say I get a well-paying 3D animation contract for the first time. My first thought will be to learn how to model and animate 3D characters because the money on offer is good. That will require me to dedicate a lot of time on learning how to do it. On the other hand, if I have a business mindset, I'll do my math and hire a freelance expert in 3D animation to do the job. At the end, I'll worry less about doing the job and shift focus to commenting and criticizing on the completed work. At the end, we will both take the credit for the job. I recommend freelancers to take this route so long as they are able to profit from the project and deliver quality service. I assume freelancers plan and go for vacations at least once a year. With this said, if a long-term client you have been working with sends you an email on the day that you're traveling and asks you to work on an urgent project, what will you do? Will you cancel your air ticket so as to attend to the client needs? Most freelancers will cancel their plans and get back to work. But what if you could find someone with the skills same as yours to step in for you and do the job at a lower fee? Wouldn't that be great? That's exactly what you should do. Post the job for freelancers to apply and hire someone to do the job on your behalf. Once done, send the completed work to the client. Being able to reason like this might forever change your life. These are 3 among the many instances that you will need to hire a fellow freelancer to work with you. Small actions like this will stimulate your growth. You will be free to do many other exciting things in life. And that is it from me. In what instances do you hire freelancers to collaborate with you on a project? How has it changed your life? Share your feedback in the comments section below here. I hope you found this video helpful. Like it and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Until next time, bye bye and take care. Follow me on Twitter at Cheptionyi. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubestudio.com.